What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to check out the smart battery case from Apple for your iPhone. So this one is for my 11 Pro Max. They also make it for the just 11 Pro and the 11, as well as the previous models, the 10s, Max, 10s, and so on. These just came out. I believe they get released on Monday. I pre-ordered mine and it came in just today, and so I figured to get the video out for you guys. Check it out for yourselves. So let's go ahead and open the box. Dang, it's in there tough. So here is the case itself. So you got the lightning port at the bottom to plug into the actual phone itself. You have a nice velvet feeling inside to kind of protect your phone as well. You have the nice buttons here. These buttons press on the volume up and down button on the inside, as well as the power button on the other side. Now your mute button here, the switch is actually going to be just shown through there. You have their Apple logo, of course, on the back. Now these come in different colors. They come in white and black. I'm not sure if they come in for the 10s. I think they came with the rose gold. I'm not sure. I'll put up here if they do or not, and I'll also link those all in the description below. But this is a nice rubbery silicone feeling. So you'll be able to get a good grip on your phone. Well, with the big thickness of it, you'll be getting a good grip of it anyways, because it does add some bulk to it. But this is probably pretty close to the same feeling as the Apple silicone case itself. On the bottom you have the actual charging port, and then you have the cutouts for the microphone and the speaker itself. And I will say, and then you'll fold this down, so that way you slide the phone in. We'll show you here, and then you get it in the top. Now I will say it does have the charging port on the bottom to charge the case and the phone, but this is also wireless charging. It has the capability of wireless charging. So when you set this on a wireless charger with the phone in it, it will charge the case, and then it will charge your phone, and you don't have to do anything about that. You don't have to actually plug it in. And I think it also charges just the case without the phone too. So let's check it out with the phone inside of it. Just like that. So now you got the charging up at the top. It's actually charging my phone first. And then on the battery side, you have the smart battery case. It'll shows you, I haven't charged the actual case itself, so it's showing 14% life left. And so it'll charge the phone until it's done charging, and then it'll continue to charge the actual phone until the battery in the case is dead, and then you use the phone battery from the rest of the point. Apple does claim up to 50% more battery life with the case. My phone usually is about 50% or 40% left by the end of the day, so with this battery case, it's going to easily give me probably 2 full days of battery life when needed. I almost forgot to mention what's new this year on this case. It has this nice sleek little button here, and automatically when you press it, it goes right into the camera mode. So you don't have to go fumbling around for your camera app. You just go ahead and press it. Whoops, you gotta actually press it. It goes right into the camera. That's pretty cool. But other than that, here you go. You can see it with the phone in the case. I need to clean up. It's not too bad. A little bit more bulky and a lot heavier. I'll say it's a lot heavier. I mean, this phone is heavy as it is, but it's not as bulky as I thought it was going to be. So there you go, as you can see it. And like I said, I'm going to link it in the description below, along with the other models too, in the different colors. If you have any questions about it, leave it in the comments below. If this is your first time, consider subscribing to my channel, and I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.